Hey everyone, thank you so much for tuning in. Today's video, I am super excited. We are swatching some of the bitebeauty liquefied lips. I really enjoyed doing lip swatch videos, and I think I tried one of these lipsticks in my Sephora lip video. I'll link that down below for reference. And yeah, let's just dive in. Okay, so the first shade we're going in with Lotus Root, and this is what it looks like. If I recall, these all of the orange shades I have swatched. This one isn't terrible. It's not really bright, but it's still not really good. It's like fetch. I'm just not gonna make orange happen. Next we have Yucca or Yucca. I'm not sure how to pronounce that. It's a pretty brown, I think. Or is it brown orange? I might like this shade. I like this shade. Oh, liked it so much I got it on my teeth. But I think this is like a brown orange color because it's not too brown, but it's not too orange, and I don't hate it. I didn't think this shade was gonna work out for me as much as it did. And then the last shade we have chicory or chicory? Choiry? No, it's not choiry. Chicory or Cherokee. Chiropractor, that's what I need to go see. I have hopes for this one too. I like that shade. Oopsie. My lips are a little beat up, so I'm kind of like really having to go kind of hard on my lips, and they are a tad chapped, so I was struggling to finish this, but I really like this shade. I did not mean to be mean to my lips with applying it. And this applicator is on an angle, so I'm having difficulties with it. That's just me. My favorite shades that I swatched were Chicory. I'm going with that name. Please let me know in the comments below what the correct pronunciation is. I'm just dumb. Words are hard. I'm so sorry. It happens. And then Clove, Sugar Beet, and Yucca, or Yucca. Another one I'm struggling pronouncing. But those are the shades that really worked out for me the most. Now with the formula, I do like it. I do prefer more of a liquid lipstick that dries down matte, but I am not opposed to like this more satin moussey dry down finish. I mentioned my lips are super dry right now, so drying down completely matte isn't the best for my lips. That's why sometimes I like to interchange with a different formula just to give them a break. It feels a little hydrating. I think we all have like different preferences with a liquid lipstick formula, and I think they do a really good job with formulating, because like even though like the darker shades were a little patchy, you really couldn't notice from my distance, from like where I'm sitting to my camera, but when I'm looking at the mirror, it was still kind of hard to tell, but it was noticeable for me because that's what I'm looking for. If I was talking with someone, I don't think they would completely notice that it was patchy, but I would be like self-conscious knowing it is patchy, and I'm just gonna be sitting there with my anxiety through the roof like, oh my gosh, it's patchy, it's patchy, patchy. They're judging me, there's lipstick on my teeth. This concludes today's video. I really hope you enjoyed it. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed. Bite Beauty lipstick swatches. Leave me a comment below and what lip swatches you would like to see in the future, or what your favorite lipstick or lip product is. Please make sure you're subscribed before you leave, and I'll see you in the next video.